Hey guys, my name is Gabby Francess and welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a graphic designer in Missouri and I love cats a lot. Today I'm just going to be showing you my casual makeup look for whenever I actually have time to do my makeup. I'm just going to go ahead and get my skin ready with this little sample of the Tatcha water cream. It's good to keep your face moisturized, especially if you have drier skin like myself. Next I'm going to go ahead and go in with another sample of the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. Next I'm going to use the Benefit POREfessional Mini, and I'm just going to focus that on where my pores are largest, which is around my cheeks, my nose, and right above my brows. Also, I apologize if I sound sick or anything, but I have like allergies forever. It's just my life now. I'm going to go ahead and start my eyes by priming them with the NYX HD Concealer in shade 1. Got a little crazy there. I'm going to blend it out with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And to set that, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in shade 5. Alright, now that my eyes are primed and ready to go, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Double Entendre palette. This palette's really good if you like warmer tones and natural shades, as satin matte and shimmer shades, so you can really use this to go from day or night. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed you through this part so this video isn't too long. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. For foundation, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 202. Gonna go ahead and bring it down my neck. And if you guys like a more kind of dewy finish, I really recommend this foundation. Not only is it drugstore, so it's cheaper, but it's pretty good quality. Their shade range isn't great, so I'll definitely say that's a con there. For concealing my under eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX HD Concealer again. I don't like to use too much concealer because I have really large creases underneath my eyes, and so the more product I use usually, the worse it will look. And luckily my skin is doing pretty good right now, so I don't need to conceal anywhere else. I'm just going to lightly set my under eyes with the same Maybelline Fit Me powder. Now for Please stop. You're so goofy. Now I'm gonna go in with my butter bronzer in light bronze, and I'm gonna use this to kind of contour and bronze up my face. And this is a BH Cosmetics #1 brush. I like to take my bronzer from about my temple to under my cheekbones in circular motions, around the perimeter of my face, underneath my jawbone to give a chiseled look. I'm just taking down my neck to create sort of a shadowy effect. For blush, I'm gonna use the Burt's Bees blush in Toasted Cinnamon, and let me tell you, I fucking love this shade. And I'm going in with my EcoTools Powder Blush Brush. For highlight, I'm using the Physicians Formula Nude Shimmer Brick, and I always go up in this top corner here using the ColourPop F5 brush. Don't like a super strong highlight, so this is very natural. It brings out just a little bit on the tip of my nose. bridge, the high points of my forehead, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Now that all my powders are done, I'm gonna go in with MAC Fix Plus, and I'm gonna just set my face and kind of bring back some hydration into it. After I have dried it down, I like to just go over it with my beauty blender, kind of just set it into the skin. For my eyebrows, I'm going in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow. I'm just gonna do this real quickly. Just brush these out. And to set my brows, I'm using the Ready Set Brow by Benefit as well. I like a more natural, feathery look. I'm glad that's in right now as well because I never really perfected that Instagram brow. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up the eyes by adding some highlight to the brow bone using Physicians Formula Shimmer Brick. And to the inner corner. I wasn't a huge fan of this inner corner highlight at first, but it's really growing on me. I'm gonna go back into my ColourPop palette to finish up the under eye. I'm gonna use my Bite Beauty Agave lip balm. And I'm gonna line my lips with the NYX Mauve lip liner. I'm just gonna slightly overline my lips in this area and underneath here. And to finish it all off, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. And I almost forgot mascara. Don't even know. For mascara, this is going to finish it off. And I'm using the Lancôme Monsieur Big. And I like to just use a Q-tip to kind of clean up the excess mascara that I got on because it never fails. I always get mascara on my eyes. So there you have it. This is my finished look for whenever I actually have time to put on makeup. I really like it because it's just natural and kind of glowy. And for the eyes, I really love this mascara and this glittery shade on top. It's just But this is just my go-to look whenever I have time to put on my makeup, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to have you guys follow me on this YouTube journey. So make sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!